So this is the third brake light I ordered. I got this one on eBay. And this is what it really comes with right here. So it comes with the light itself. Comes with the smallest wire you could ever make. Right here. Comes with a bracket. So this mounts to the light like this. And then this mounts to the actual car. And then just the screws. So yeah, this is what it comes with to be installed. Alright. This is just how quick example of how it will look. So we have the piece I'm talking about mounted to right in the center. So it's probably gonna hang like right here, since we're gonna have the bracket right here. Or probably this way. And it's gonna hold it right. Let me see. So it'll be like right here. You just gotta find out where to mount the wires. Just got a couple sizes wires, strippers, connectors. So I'm gonna get over to my buddy's house and try to install this. Alright, so we had to modify the bracket. We just cut it straight off, and we're just gonna keep this part, which mounts to the light, and then we're just gonna bolt it right here and here, straight up into the diffuser. Yeah. As you can see, how we cut the bracket to make it work. So I didn't even use the screws for it. I just used 2 self-tappers to make a hole into the metal, into the diffuser. And then was able to mount this. You can just mount it right here. There's a screw that it comes with. Then this, swivel. And as you can see, for the wires, I ended up drilling a hole behind it. It's kind of dirty. This is already a couple days after, so I don't want it being dirty, so it needs to be washed. But yeah, you can see it. The wire goes in, and then it goes to a butt connector to extend the wires. So as you can see, it's right here. Black is ground. The X is the signal, and then the stripe is the power wire going in. You don't have to run it just like me, but we're gonna take all this out. So take off this. I'm gonna take out all this and take out the spare tire to get to a grommet under here, which you're going to use to run the wires. And then we're going to run it all the way through here into this brake light right here. So as you can see, just take this out, and a clip right there, and then you'll be able to pull those back to get to the wire. So let's take this out first. All right, so you run the wire right through this grommet right here. All right, so after you run the wires, as you can see, it goes through here, then it goes in here. So everything is already back in. So you're gonna run it over here, and then you're gonna run it to, depends on what side of connector you want. So as you can see, the red one is gonna be your signal wire for the brake light. The black is gonna be the ground, and the green is gonna be for your power. So that's how I end up wiring it. And that's how you see it right here. Goes all the way in here to here, to that grommet, all the way back to their brake light right here. Here's the update with the, I guess you could call that 4th brake light on this car. Mounted up good. So gotta fix a few things. The only issue I have would be nothing broken. But yeah, that's how it looks. Let me know what you guys think of this. This is only a couple days after the first part. Right now, but so far this is how it's looking. Diffuser, get up close for you. glass. Just unlock it to show you how bright it is. It's pretty bright. Let me put the running lights are on. And this is basically the final product right here. As you can see, I hit the unlock button. Same thing with the lock.